Hi there, this is Kevin from eProject, and today I want to introduce the PMI-ACP Exam Preparation course. So we have created this course for people who want to pass the PMI-ACP exam. So in this course, we have included videos explaining about the important concepts. Each domain has its own video, and you need to understand all of the information that is included in the video. We also have a comprehensive guide that will help you understand the concepts. The guide includes explanations and definitions, so if you're having a hard time understanding the concepts, please look at the guide for further explanation. We also have quizzes and mock tests included in this course. Every domain has its own quiz that you need to pass to be able to finish this course. And finally, the mock test. The mock test is designed to replicate the PMI-ACP exam. Please remember that these questions are timed and you only have 3 hours to finish the whole test. So what sets this course apart from other courses is that this course does not explain information that you do not need for you to be able to pass the PMI-ACP exam. This PMI-ACP exam preparation course is comprehensive, fast, and reliable. For more information about this course, please contact us at this email. Once again, this is Kevin from eProject. See you in the course.